Okay, once again, grade 8, we are going to continue. This time we are to talk about slope-intercept form. So in here, we have the formula for that. We have the y equals mx plus b. I will explain that m here is the slope and b is called the y-intercept. The y-intercept. So it's symbolized by small letter b, meaning to say that the y-intercept is a point which is 0b, 0b. So meaning to say that you are going to count from the y-axis. So that's a point that crosses the y-axis. So let's have an example. So in here, there must be a slope again and a y-intercept. Supposing given here is p equals 3 and m equals 4. 4. So simply, if you are going to make the equation of the line, will be y will be equal to 4x plus 3. Only, you have to put that in standard, so transposing 4x to the left side, it will be negative 4x plus y will be equals to 3. So you multiply this by negative 1 or automatic that it will be 4x minus y will be equals to negative 3. So this is the standard form of the equation of the line with a slope of 4 and y-intercept of 3. So shall we show the graph also here? So first also here is to plot y-intercept. So you just count from the y-axis. If it is positive from the origin, you are going up. When it is negative, you are going down. So 3 is positive, so you count 3. 1, 2, 3. So establish that as your first point. And from here, use the slope. Okay, the slope is 4. That is the same as 4 over 1. So let's just assume because kulang tayo ng isa dyan. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So it's here. The second point is here. So happen that way. Okay. So you may connect it, the line with something like this. Okay, something like this. Yan. Or mas maliwanag pala, you may use this, you go down 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and going to the left also. So this is, pag kinulang tayo dyan, anyway, parang ganyan. So which is just the same. You may extend the line. Okay, so that's the graph there. So I hope you can understand. I want to repeat. So use the y-intercept. Here is 3. 1, 2, 3. And the slope is 4. You can go up 4 units and to the right. But if you will go down 4 units and to the left naman, because it happens that the slope will be like this. 4 over negative 1, which is just the same as 4 over 1, or just simply 4. Okay, so one more. So if the y-intercept is negative 2, so b is equal to negative 2, and the slope is negative 1/3. Negative 1/3. Okay. making the equation for that, so use the formula. Y will be equals to negative 1/3 x minus 2. Okay, we transpose negative 1/3 to the left side, so it will become, actually that is the same as x over 3 plus y will be equals to negative 2. If you don't like the denominator, you will multiply this by 3. So it is simply x plus 3y because you multiply, and you multiply also, will be equals to negative 6. So this is the equation of the line. So x plus 3y is equal to negative 6. So when we plot that, so first with the y-intercept, which is negative 2, 1, 2. So establish that as your first point. And the slope is negative 1/3. So negative 1 is still you go down 1 and to the right. 1, 2, 3. So this is your second point. And what you are going to do is just connect the 2 points to make the line. So you may put an arrow. So this is the graph of the equation x plus 3y equals negative 6. So that is called the slope-intercept form. I think this is easier. You can have that. You may have your own problems and solve them.